Hey guys, so this is another unboxing video of my wishlist variegated plants. This is the variegated philodendrons and the price is very higher nowadays. This is the parcels, how it looks like with label live plants on the both sides, and then using a big square boxes. So let's open this box. So time to reveal the plants. First, we have Monstera adansoni. Monstera adansoni I. This is a minty variegated adansoni I. This is also my wishlist Monstera. Look at the leaves. It is like whitish creamy color, yellow. And then this is the second plant. It is philodendrons. This is non-variegated philodendrons, but it could grow to a massive size. This is called as McDowell, Philodendron Dean McDowell, and Philodendron what this is? Blue money. And the last one, this big fella, is most stunning and beautiful variegated philodendrons. Oh my god. Nampak comel. So you ready? We're going to open this one. Alright. So this is Philodendron Bilites variegated. This is the new shoots. And that's the end of my plants unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and see you in another video.